So as you can see also, this is the outer part of the car. You can see for yourself. You can see how good it is. Everything is good and fine. No scratches, no whatever. Everything is very, very smart. Everything is very smart. So I recommend everyone there to trust Aisha Trading Company and Mr. Sakren. He will do for you a very wonderful job, as he did to me. Alright, thank you so much. Bye. Well, this is Robert from Uganda. I'm here to tell you that surely I received my vehicle from Aisha Trading Company Limited, Japan, straight from Japan. And I would like to thank Mr. Sakren for the work you did, for the good job you did for me. So this is the car. I already received it. As you can see, it's a Vitz RS model 2014. Everything is fine with it. Everything is well and fine with it. Yeah. Well, I'm glad again to tell you that I received my vehicle. It's a very good car. Everything is good. The engine is fine as I expected it to be. The outside is good. The body is wow. Everything is superb with this car. As you can see, I'm inside it now. You can see for yourself. Everything is fine. Everything is good about the car. It took like, it was only 1 month and I think 2 weeks, 1 month and a half to receive this good vehicle of mine from Aisha Trading, direct from Japan. You can see it for yourself. Everything is nice. Everything is wow. Everything is good. Everything is good. Thanks, Mr. Sakren, for the great job you did for me. And I would recommend everyone, everywhere, everyone over there, please trust Aisha Trading Company. Aisha Trading Company is a good company.